Intro. Welcome to the Q4 FY26 earnings update for E2E Networks Limited. Let's decode how India's leading AI-first cloud GPU platform performed this quarter. Split. A major announcement for shareholders. Stock split approved in 1:10 ratio. Face value 10 rupees becomes 1 rupee. Liquidity boost. Better retail participation expected. Total income. 101.13 crore total income. Revenue 95.64 crore. Year-on-year growth plus 185.7%. Quarter-on-quarter growth plus 36.6%. Driven by GPU capacity expansion. Expenses. Total expenses at 92.57 crore. Heavy depreciation 51.35 crore. Employee cost 12.36 crore. Service cost 20.81 crore. Infra investments clearly visible. EBITDA 58.10 crore. EBITDA margin at 60.7%. Massive expansion of 2,090 basis points. Strong operational efficiency. PBT 8.56 crore profit before tax. Turnaround from previous quarter loss. Core profitability momentum improving. PAT net profit 6.44 crore. Strong recovery from earlier loss. PAT margin at 6.7%. Bottom line turning positive. EPS earnings per share RI property 321. Sharp turnaround from negative EPS last quarter. Positive signal for shareholders. Summary. Exponential revenue growth. Profitability turnaround achieved. Margins expanding strongly. GPU demand driving future growth. Momentum looks intact. Disclaimer. This content is for educational purposes only. It does not constitute financial advice. Please consult your financial advisor before investing.